Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a fun springtime design. This design I feel like is perfect for right after Easter, or you could even have done this for Easter as well. But to get started, I laid down my base for you guys already so you don't have to, so it will be dry and we can move into stamping. But my bases for today are, my pink is OPI's Getting Naughty on My Honeymoon, and OPI's Polywana Lacquer. These came out in their spring collection last year, so if you picked them up, you can use these or just use any pastel-y purple and pink. This purple I really love. I kind of wish I would have gotten 2 bottles of it when it came out last year. But then we are using 3 polishes from Bundle Monster to stamp with, and we will be using this silver here is So Metal. This purple is Rave Babe, and this kind of a shimmery color is called Planet Silk, and it's a purpley pinky shimmer stamping polish. Then of course we will be using a white stamping polish. This one is from Queen. A latex barrier, this one is from Queen as well, and then a top coat. I'm just using a matte top coat today, partly because I cannot find my glossy top coat. And then we are using 2 stamping plates. This one is from Uber Chic. It is called Yay Spring, and we will be using the florally design right down here in the corner. We'll also be using this plate from Uber Chic. It's the Got Chevron plate, and we'll be using this fun chevron design right here. So what you do to get started on this design is you lay down the base, and this is 2 coats of those OPI polishes, and then you're going to want that to completely dry before you move into your stamping. While that is drying, it would be wise to go around your nail with the liquid latex tape. So first we are going to get started with this design right here, and this one will be going on all of our purple fingers. And I don't ever show you guys my thumb, and so this would also be going on your thumb. I usually make my pointer finger and my thumb match for designs like this. And then you're going to want to clean this plate off, because you will just be getting that shimmer polish. And then we're just going to line this up and stamp right on top of it. And it doesn't have to be perfect where it's a shimmer polish. You're not going to be able to tell if you're out of lines too much, but I like to be as perfect as I can. Okay, so there's that one. We're going to switch stamping plates now. So we're going to be using this design down here, and my nails are short enough and small enough, and I'm using the Uber Chic extra large clear stamper. So we'll be able to pick up almost this whole design, but it'll be able to cover these 2 fingernails all at once. And what we are going to do first is use the Bundle Monster So Metal, and you can just see how thick this silver is. It's a really, really opaque stamping polish. And then we're just going to roll this stamper from one side to the other, and it picked up that whole design, or as much as we wanted it to anyways. And then we're just going to place this here. You kind of want to place it so that you can see what you're placing down on your finger. Okay, so there are those. Okay, so now you're going to want to clean up your stamping plate. And then we'll grab the purple stamping polish and just run it along the top here. And I tried to get a purple that was pretty close to what was painted on my nails. It's not exact and it doesn't have to be, but just pretty close. And then we picked up that whole design again, and I can already see this part of my nail. And you don't have to line this up exactly, you're just wanting it to kind of give it a little taste of what it was. And then there's that flower. You just kind of want that silver to peek through in the back still and have a 2-tone stamp. Okay, so once you are done with your stamping, you're going to take a cleanup brush dipped in some acetone, and you're just gonna separate the stamp from your nail. You don't need to like clean up completely, that's why you laid down the latex tape, but you don't want to peel off the latex without cleaning up around your nail first, or else it can rip up some of the stamping. Okay, once your cleanup is complete, you're just going to take some tweezers and peel off your latex. And then just take your matte top coat or any top coat. Again, like I said, I'm using matte today because I cannot find my glossy top coat. And here is your finished design. I love this design so much. I really think this double stamping on these two fingers came out wonderfully. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like this. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I leave those all linked down below for you guys to make your life easier. And don't forget to subscribe here. And if you're new, welcome and thank you for joining our family. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, be polished, wear polished, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.